we have shown to our organization and communities. As we reflect on the past 3.5 decades, we can take pride in the accomplishment we have achieved together. From our small beginning to becoming a humble organization in pursuing service to humanity. Each one of you has played a vital role in shaping KPI into what it is today, and also for being an affiliated reserve unit of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Your hard work, commitment, and passion have been the driving force behind our success. This year, as we celebrate our 35th anniversary, let us not look back at our achievements, but also envision the future. Together, we can continue to push boundaries, embrace new challenges, and foster new innovations that will propel us into the next chapter of excellence. Join us as we celebrate not just our past, but the exciting journey that lies ahead. Here is to 35 years of KPI, and to many more years of volunteerism, commitment, camaraderie, and service to humanity. In behalf of Colonel Benilio Piñera, our KPI chairman, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to Major General Joel Alejandro Esnacnac, to Brigadier General Ferdinand Geminic Ramirez, represented by Captain Cassis, and Captain Federico Vicente Alcantara, for the timely issuance of black serial numbers and ranks of our MOT Class 003-2024. This gives our graduates an honor to serve our community as well as our beloved country as member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Reserve Force. Also, our heartfelt thanks to Justice Erlinda Starlight Puy, Major Michael Godgap Puy, Attorney Victoria Princess B. Piñera, for your generosity and invaluable support to KPI, and also to Father Ron Santos, who always bless us all the KPI activities. Thank you, and more energy to Kalayaan Philippines Incorporated and 903rd Signal Battalion. We would like